welcome to my YouTube tutorial. If this is how you want your makeup to look, then follow along with these ever so amazing and simple instructions to look this epic and swag. Let's go! Step 1, grab whatever primer I recommended for you to get and rub that shit on your eyes and not the rest of your face, because you ain't wearing a full face unlike me. Make sure that she can see like what I'm doing, I guess. Now you can go ahead and completely ignore this step unless you want to fill in your eyebrows. Eyebrows. I'm just doing it because I got none. You're welcome. They look really horribly uneven. Yay, concealer.
You didn't.
I know. As I said, it's for doing voiceover later, where I'll be like, "Here, this is where I tried to show you the concealer, but it doesn't matter because you don't even have this one. But get your concealer, bitch." Okay. I'm a.
They came out like
As you can see, I'm very efficient. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this little error of mine and just put that on both of my eyelids because it is an eyeshadow primer. Yeah, more primer for your eyes, but under the eye this time. And just like the last eyeshadow primer, just rub that stuff in. Just rub it in. Get it in there. Then you grab your broken ass crusty palette. Grab whatever you desire, preferably a brown, crusty, dusty palette. Yeah. I am so bad at explaining things, but just find the outer crease of your eye, whatever you want to call it, and just put it there. Yeah, I've not explained this very well, and you can't even see, but you put it there, bitch. You put it on the outer, just let the brush feel around your eyeball. Just go around your eyeball.
You know where the eyeball is? Around, like, the outside of your eye? Like where your eyelid is? Yeah, just go right in that hole.
Exactly what he said. Just get in there.
Get in the hole.
Get
it in the hole.
6 feet deep. And then just keep blending until you get the desired effect that you want.
Oh, on there, lad.
You really just...
Again, lower.
Really just...
Beautiful. You can't see the thumbs up. A little higher. There we go.
Now I'm just adding a little bit under my eye so it looks like I got punched, because that's the look we're going for. You grabbed that shiny crap.
Perfect. Literally there.
Nice. Oh my god. For giving tutorials, just grab a really shimmery shiny colour and stick it in the inner corner of your eye just to give it that little bit of... well, bam!
It's funny because all we can see is your face.
Now grab the palette that has highlighter, blush, and contour in it, and put the highlighter under your eyebrows. Bam, wham. Now we got the ever so joyous part of putting on eyeliner on your waterline. Have fun guessing how to do this, because I can't explain it. But I guess just pull it down and scribble it on, I guess. See, even after all these years, I'm still shit. And this is the bit that someone's been waiting for. You grab your eyeliner, pop that bad boy open. Now here's the secret trick of the trade that I learned. Why am I talking?
There is no secret.
So what you want to do first is just draw a line across the top of your lid. Don't really worry about it too much, because the bit you want to be focusing on the most is this bit here. Hold the felt tip at an angle and drag it. Every time without fail. Now, I'm going to try my best to describe this better, but literally, all you've got to do is from the corner of your eye, take the felt pen, and literally drag it at an angle, and just bring it all the way across your eyelid, and you'll get a wing every time. See, I personally hate this eyeliner style on my face.
Well, you can just say, hey, this is what it would look like. This is great. Unfortunately,
This step is completely optional. It really depends on your face shape, but feel free to add a little bit in your inner corner. But just do whatever makes you feel comfortable, and then put on mascara. I put it on my top and bottom lashes. I mean, just do whatever makes you feel comfortable. I'm naturally blonde, so I feel it is a very necessary step for me to put on mascara, because otherwise I just look stupid. But whatever works for you. Again, same with putting eyeliner in the inner corner. It all really depends on your eye shape. I'm sorry this tutorial sucks, but I hope I helped in any way that I could, and feel free to enjoy the bloopers at the end.
That bitch is hot.
I'm done. Talking.
Don't worry, it wasn't like a Brazil with gangrene. Blue stick.
I said it in my mouth! Out of my tooth!
Don't do it that aggressive. Don't do it that aggressive. You don't need to glue your mouth back.
Pretty good now.
You don't have to glue your face. It's funny because I can tell that you would be a good YouTuber.
No.
Yes, the tism helps.
I always end up acting up in front of a camera.
I love this.
I don't.
I do.
Stop it.
Music gang. Dark elements.
Basically has to be level with your face.
This is so fucking stupid.
You're fucking stupid.
Huh?
It's funny because half the time that isn't even in shot.
What?
It has to be
I don't know
basically.
where